Hi, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your Fold of the Week. This week's super cool fold is a really great modified cross-fold format. This is from my good friends at Play Creative Design in Lincoln, Nebraska. This was printed by Barnhart Press for Legacy Retirement Communities. Let's take a closer look. The cover looks like the top of a hamburger. You can even see these little curved edges extended beyond the square shape of the piece. It's got a locked cover. You can see a little die cut there that opens, and it's a neighborhood patio party. And as you open it, this definitely takes the shape of a crossfold, but you're deconstructing the burger. So tomato and cheese, then it's just cheese. Then you open it up to the center, and there's a burger with the invitation information on it. So you can see here how each of the pieces kind of combine. But the center, the burger, is actually removable. So you take that out. That's a wonderful little save the date piece. Put it on your fridge or on your desk. Hang on to it. It's got a little recipe on the back for fun. But just a wonderful delivery and a great way to kind of set the mood for a fun cookout patio party. There's just such creativity in the design. This is an actual size of a burger. When you open it, it's the actual size of a plate. So you just really get that sense as you're opening it. I think this two-piece construction is great to have the leave behind. This is on about 80-pound gloss-coated cover. Die, score, hand assembled. I did about 2,500 of these. And there are 4 slits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just each edge of this circle tucks in. And so it's pretty easy, but it's definitely hand assembly for that. So very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60 seconds super cool fold of the week, shaped iron cross with insert. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.